We're going to look at working out percentage increases and decreases. This means that we need to increase or decrease a particular amount by a certain percentage. So the method we're going to use is working out the percentage of the amount first, then adding it on if it's a percentage increase or subtracting it if it's a percentage decrease. So we're going to do 4 examples. The first one is we're going to increase £120 by 15%. We need to work out 15% of £120 first. We work out 10% easily by dividing 120 by 10 to give us 12. Now that I've got 10%, I can halve that to get 5%, which will give me 6. I can now add these together to make 15%, which will give me 18. So 15% of 120 is £18. Because it's a percentage increase, I have to add 120 and 18 together, which gives me 138. So £120 increase by 15% is £138. For decrease, we use a similar strategy. So for this question, I will need to work out 20% of 250 first. So to start with 10%. 10% of 250, because we need to divide 250 by 10, is 25. In order to find 20%, I can double this, so 20% is £50. As I'm now decreasing, I need to work out £250, subtract £50, which gives me £200. So £250 decreased by 20% is £200. The first 2 examples I've done have been straightforward percentages. Now we can look at doing this with a slightly more complicated percentage increase and decreases. So I want to increase £160 by 14%. So the first thing I need to do is work out 14% of £160. I know 10% is 16, as we've divided by 10 as usual. I can work out 1% by dividing 10% by 10, and that will give me 1.6. I've got 1% and I want 4 more percent in addition to my 10%. So if I work out 2%, I can double this to get 3.2. And if I double that, I get 4%, which is 6.4. So I need to add this 10% and this 4% together to make 14%. And if I do 16 plus 6.4, I get 22.4. Now it's money, so that is actually £22.40. So to do my percentage increase, I need to have £160 plus £22.40, which gives me £182.40. So all I've done is worked out 14% of 160 and added it on. We'll do a percentage decrease in a similar way. I want to decrease £300 by 27%. The first thing I've got to do is work out 27% of £300. So 10% is 30. I can then double this to find 20%, which will give me 60. I want to find 5%. With 5%, I can halve 10% to get, so that will give me 15. I've got 20% and 5%, so I need 2 more percent. So 1% is £3, as I divide 300 by 100. So 2% is £6. So now I need to add my 20%, my 5%, and my 2% together. And if I do that, I end up with 27%, equaling £81. I need to subtract this now because I'm doing a percentage decrease. So 300 subtract 81 is £219. So I've now decreased £300 by 27%. So to summarise, in order to work out a percentage increase, you work out the percentage of the amount and add it on. To work out a percentage decrease, you work out the percentage of the amount and subtract it.